What is that ticking noise? Not over here. Not over here. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape. Severus Snape. Snape, Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape, Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape, Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore! Snape, Snape. Severus Weasley. Dumbledore! Snape, Snape. Snape. Weasley. Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Harry Snape! Harry Snape! Harry Snape! Harry Snape! Harry Snape! Harry Snape!
Dumbledore!
Hermione! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter!
Severus
Potter! Sing our song all day long at Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a magic! What? I mean, it's a pipe bomb! Yay! Kaboom! Wahahaha! Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
And now the extras who sadly didn't get in the show.
Presenting
Luna Lovegood. Give it up for Luna.
Woo!
And presenting
Professor McGonagall. Woo!
And now
Give it up for Ginny Weasley. Woo! And now for the twins, Fred and George Weasley. Woo! Can you tell them apart? Have I switched them? Have I?
na 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 na.